Hey there, my name's Aaron. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your own images like JPEGs and PNGs in Google AI Studio because it's not as easy as just dropping it into the file explorer here. That's what you would think, but it's a little bit more complicated than that. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need your project that you're working on open in Google AI Studio. So right here I have Ron's Lab, and you're going to need a Google Cloud Run account. If you don't know how to get here, if you've never gotten here, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Type in Google Cloud Run, click on the first link here, try in console, and then I like to hit up here in the top left Google Cloud, and this is the page that I favorite to return here. Now, once you create an account, you can just use your basic, the same account that you use in Gemini or Google AI Studio. Once you're here, up here where it says Ron's Lab for me, it'll probably say create new project for you. Or if you already have multiple projects, you might have another one selected. Make sure you're using the one that we're going by for this project. So Ron's Lab for me, and then I go to the dashboard. Up here, we're going to type in buckets, okay? And then this first link here, buckets, and we're going to create a bucket for this project. There we go. Labels, yeah, you don't need to worry about labels. You don't need to worry about this. Keep it multi-region. Choose how to store your data. For storage class, you're going to keep it as standard. Don't worry about all that. Down here, where it says choose how to control access to objects, we're going to turn this right here, enforce public access prevention on this bucket. Uncheck that. Leave access control to uniform. Hit continue. This is just a deletion policy, however you want your thing to be deleted if you ever need to delete it. And then hit create. Now, after you've created your bucket, upload the image or images that you would like to use. So for me, I've got this image that I want to use as a header for my project. Right here, Ron's Lab header.png. We're going to go to permissions after we upload our image. We're going to hit grant access down here. For the principal, we're going to type in all and then users, no space. For the role, we're going to use cloud storage for this first category. And then the second category, storage object viewer. It's going to be the last thing on the dropdown. Save that. Allow public access. And your bucket is now viewable for everyone, anyone. So we can go back to the objects, hit this image, copy the public URL, and then I'm going to go back into AI Studio, and I'm going to say replace the header text with my image, colon, of course, copy the link, run the prompt, and there you go. Now the image has been changed. It only took 26 seconds for it to pull that. And voila. I'm going to move this a little bit higher. Make the header image higher on the page. If you want to check out more videos, like how to deploy an app like this using Google Cloud, very cheap by the way, or if you want to learn about billing and setting budgets in Google Cloud, I'll have those tutorials on the way. So thank you, leave a comment, goodbye.